Techno update. Subscribe now.
Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Design. The design is the highlighted part of Redmi 5 Plus. The screen is contemporary with dimensions of 5.99 inches, 2.5D surface, 18:9 aspect ratio, and full HD plus resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. Software. Being one of Xiaomi's latest smartphones, the operating system it uses is the latest version. Redmi 5 Plus already using MIUI 9 operating system based on Android 7.1.2 Nougat. Xiaomi default application is capable of recording screen up to a maximum resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels with frame rate of 30 fps. You can also set the video quality up to 40 Mbps, but the resulting file size will certainly be bigger. MIUI 9 in Redmi 5 Plus itself tends to wasteful of RAM. When the smartphone is idle without running any application, its RAM usage is at least 1 GB and can reach 1.5 GB. Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus has a tempting specs for the middle-class Android smartphone, which is the favorite CPU of the present Snapdragon 625, which is combined graphics processor Adreno 506. For the unit we reviewed this time comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB storage. But there is also a higher version with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage, of course with a more expensive price. In essence, the cheap price, good screen, as well as the specifications support our sense can adequately describe Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. When we tested benchmarks using Antutu version 6.2.7 only, this smartphone managed to get a score of 62,000. For its own battery capacity, Xiaomi pinned a 4100 mAh jumbo battery plant. With standard usage such as gameplay, YouTube streaming, social media, hotspot tethering for several hours, Redmi 5 Plus managed to get screen on time up to 7 hours. This smartphone also seems to have supported fast charging. Because of our experiments, charging the battery from 0 to full with a congenital charger just takes about 2 hours. Hardware. Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus has a tempting specs for the middle-class Android smartphone, the current favorite CPU Snapdragon 625 which combined graphics processor Adreno 506. For the unit we reviewed this time comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB storage. But there is also a higher version with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage, of course with a more expensive price. Camera. In addition to the screen, the camera is also one of the flagship Redmi 5 Plus. Xiaomi equipped camera 12MP f2.2 resolution with various excellent features such as DAF, low light camera, panorama, face recognition, and HDR. As for the front camera 5MP resolution with intelligent beauty 3.0 features, countdown selfie, and facial recognition. To maximize the photos of selfie lovers, there are also LED flash which is automatically active during dark light conditions.